The stock market's been all over the place lately, and that can feel stressful, especially if you've been watching your 401k or your investments. But while your stocks might be down, your home value's probably not. Check out this graph. It shows that even when there are bigger stock market drops, home prices don't typically follow the same pattern. And while you may remember 2008, that was a rare exception, that kind of drop isn't the norm. During four of the last six stock market downturns, home values actually went up. If the stock market's up and downs are stressing you out, know that your home value usually don't experience the same big swings. That's why real estate can feel more stable and less risky than the stock market. So even if things feel uncertain right now, homeowners win big in the long run. So my question is, when was the last time that you had a professional equity assessment to know exactly how much your home is worth? Contact me anytime, and please know I am here to help.